Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the Spotify username. So you have a Spotify account, you use that account to use Spotify to listen to your music, and now you want to change the username to that Spotify account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change the username on your Spotify application. So to change the username, the first thing you want to do is open a Spotify application. Once you open a Spotify application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the username to. If not, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged into that account, you'll land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do in order to change the username is tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Then you land in an interface like this. Here you can see your profile picture and your username. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you land in an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on edit profile option. Now here you have the option to change the username. So go ahead and enter the username that you want to use. Once you do that, what you want to do is tap on the save button on the top right corner. Once you tap on the save button, you'll successfully change the Spotify username. So that was the simple steps in order to change the Spotify username. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.